have a weird. I don't want to touch it.
What is it?
It's a caterpillar.
Oh.
It's like neon green.
Whoa. Looks edible.
We're gonna put our gate posts in that are also gonna be our anchor for our side here and our back wall here of our field fence.
Come to look.
Goat paddock
Fence.
pen situation.
So we're gonna go ahead and get those holes dug, those posts in the ground, and that will have time to set overnight. And tomorrow afternoon when we get home, we will, I think, install the fence.
I think at least
This way
this way
and hopefully this way.
and hopefully that way. We haven't discussed the gate. Are we going to build the same gate as?
Yes, but it will need to be taller.
Okay.
It needs to be at least 5 foot. So we'd have to do 2 more panels.
Okay. So we're going to bust out the auger. We're going to dig some holes, and put some posts in the ground. And we got plenty of help today.
Too much help, probably.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Why you gotta call me a pig?
You hit something down there.
Yeah, we did. A root. Yeah.
What did you hit?
I don't know. It's weird. It smells like gas.
No.
It smells like natural gas. Man,
What?
there's a weird metal pipe in there too.
On the shovel. See all that smoke that came out of nowhere?
Yeah, that's the natural gas from the natural gas line we hit. Shouldn't be an issue.
Bad time to ask that. But
What?
is that gate wide enough? But I think it is.
Yeah.
So maybe if we get the fencing in tomorrow and then we can work on the shelter on Sunday.
Okay,
Or at least that will be our plan.
that'll work.
Goats are coming Monday.
The idea is that this will sandwich these two boards together. And then when it gets pulled, it'll catch against this part all the way down and pull it super duper tight. Look at that.
Well, that was much easier.
Wasn't it? If we need to go tighter, I gotta put the emergency brake on. Let's pull on the Jeep.
Yeah, I feel like that's gonna be good. Go hit the T-post in.
Yep.
They've been sitting in the sun.
Lily, hammer. Oh boy, she's got her Crocs on. Those are her.
I ain't
Wander away,
working shoes.
We seem to have tensioned our gate
Oh, maybe I should leave it.
right into place. Yes, because if you open it,
Then it'll be even more.
we don't really know what'll happen.
Yeah. How do I get in here?
This one's in there. All right, but hang on.
What?
There you go. So that get it. Whoops, on the side.
Good. I also thought we should take a
Needle nose pliers of some sort.
and bend this just a little bit more
Yep.
once we have everything kind of situated.
Hang on. Okay, walk us through installing one of these guys.
It's pretty simple. You're going to hook this around first, and then on the other side use a screwdriver of sorts, and you're just going to tighten it in.
Just a twist.
That's it.
Got it.
Good job, dear.
Well, unfortunately, there's gotta be more hammering.
So we got about 20-foot section put in over here on the last side. I think we're about a third of the way done. We are wrapping the wire back around the tree and on itself to secure it. We avoided the swamp section, and it's not as tight as the other side, but still pretty darn tight considering.
Still better than the other side.
Still better than the back side. tight if we need it to be tighter. Okay.
That's good.
We can put a T-post here and there.
Nice. Toy, like a toy guy.
Nice. You want
Judging by the wind and the amount of thunder, it's gonna
going to
rain
storm soon?
any minute now. So
We have like 15 feet left.
it's kind of hard to tell because we're in the woods. But once you get out here, you can kind of see that it's a little cloudy. I just felt a raindrop, so we might not have much time.